So let's take a little time and talk about bid organization. Uh, ZZ has some incredible features, I'll call them features, that are built in, and it will help organize your bid, find your way through the bid as far as navigation, things like that. One of the first things I want to do is I notice that all my plans are just kind of linear. I don't have them condensed. And I'm going to go up to this plus button here, and I want to create a new folder. Alright, and I'm going to call this one planting. And then I might as well make another folder, and let's call this one soil. And let's make one for irrigation. Okay, so we have that. So now I can just click and shift, highlight all these and drag them up into the planting folder. So it turns the area blue. Okay, let's put all our soil plans in the soil plan folder. Got one up here. And let's go ahead and put the rest of the irrigation in the irrigation sheet. And it looks like I need to possibly put a couple more into the planting schedule. Alright. So that's a way of organizing your bid. You're also going to see some things here. Like on sheet 6.01, we have a couple of takeoffs. Everything that's been taken off is here. So if I go to this sheet, I can turn on and off the features, okay? And I can change colors if I like. I can do all kinds of wonderful things with this. Okay, so that's that. But then on the right hand side, if I go to let's find our mainline sleeve. So I have those kind of tucked away in planting. I should make a new folder, and we'll call it irrigation for now. And I'm going to go ahead and put those sleeves and mainline into that irrigation folder. So as I do that, I can close this up. And now if I want to see, like the sleeves are on multiple sheets, and if I want to know what sheets they're on, let me go to like planting details. I can go here and right click and see pages, and it shows me the pages that they're on. And not only that, it also takes you to those pages. And that is a very, very cool feature that's going to help you immensely as far as organizing your bids or working your way through and finding things. You can also turn all the sleeves off for all the pages if you like. And as well as that, you can also go in here and do a new subfolder by right clicking and hitting new subfolder, and I'm going to call this sleeves. And now that we have that, I can put my sleeves in there, and I might as well do another new full subfolder, and let's do mainline pipe. Okay, and in we go. So that's a way of organizing your bid, trying to find out where everything is on multiple pages, condensing the pages into manageable sizes, grouping them together, things like that. All right, so thanks for watching, and we'll have another video out here real shortly.